Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Databricks to read from Azure SQL Database. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Databricks to read from Azure SQL Database, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure SQL Database section. Select the database you want to connect to. In the database settings, go to the Networking tab. Ensure that the Allow Azure Services and Resources to access this server option is enabled. Next, open your Databricks workspace. Create a new cluster if you haven't already. Once the cluster is running, navigate to the Libraries section. Click on Install New to add a new library. Select Maven and enter the Maven coordinates for the JDBC driver. For Azure SQL Database, the coordinates are com.microsoft.azure, Azure SQL DB JDBC 8.4.1. Click Install to add the library to your cluster. After the library is installed, go back to your Databricks notebook. Create a new notebook and select the language you want to use. Now, let's establish a connection to Azure SQL Database. Import the necessary libraries like PyAdc or JDBC. Define the connection parameters including server name, database name, username, and password. Use the following format for your connection string: JDBC SQL server // server underscore name.database.windows.net 1433, database equals database underscore name, user equals username. Execute the connection command to establish connectivity. Once connected, you can run SQL queries against your Azure SQL database. To read data from a specific table, use a SQL select statement. Store the results in a data frame for further analysis. Ensure that you handle any exceptions that may arise during the connection process. Review your data frame to confirm that the data has been imported successfully. Once you're satisfied with your setup, you can start analyzing your data directly in Databricks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.